Have you ever gotten that sinking feeling when you look at your bank statement? You see all these debits for services you vaguely remember signing up for, but can't quite place. Maybe it was that meditation app you tried for a week, or that language learning course that promised fluency in a month. Spoiler alert, it didn't. These forgotten subscriptions can silently drain your hard-earned cash, leaving you feeling like you're constantly treading water financially. If you've ever felt this way, you're definitely not alone. In today's digital age, with free trials and enticing offers everywhere, it's easy to get caught in a subscription trap. But fear not, there are tools out there to help you regain control of your finances. One such tool is Rocket Money, a popular finance app that promises to simplify your money management. But here's the key question: does Rocket Money connect to your bank account? This might seem like a basic question, but it's crucial to understanding how Rocket Money actually works. So, let's dive deep and explore the world of Rocket Money and bank account connections. Why connect your bank account to Rocket Money? Think of Rocket Money as your financial wingman. It helps you track your spending, identify unnecessary subscriptions, and even negotiate lower bills. But to truly unleash its power, you'll need to connect your bank account. Here's why. Unmasking the mystery charges, Rocket Money can't magically see your hidden subscriptions without a little help. By connecting your bank account, it can analyze your transactions and pinpoint recurring charges. You'll finally see those mystery debits for what they truly are: forgotten subscriptions silently eating away at your wallet. The cancellation crusaders. Once Rocket Money identifies those unwanted subscriptions, it swoops in like a financial superhero. You can easily cancel them directly through the app, saving you time and frustration. No more waiting through endless menus and automated phone systems. Negotiation Ninja. Did you know you might be overpaying for some of your bills? Rocket Money can analyze your spending habits and see if you're eligible for negotiation on things like cable or internet bills. It can even provide you with scripts and talking points to confidently negotiate a lower rate. Budgeting Boss. By connecting your bank account, Rocket Money can categorize your spending and create a personalized budget. This gives you a clear picture of where your money is going, allowing you to make informed decisions about your spending habits. Connecting your bank account to Rocket Money, a smooth process. Now that you understand the benefits, you might be wondering how to connect your bank account to Rocket Money. Here's the good news: the process is designed to be quick and secure. Download the app. The first step is to download the Rocket Money app, available for both iOS and Android devices. Sign up free, create a new account or log into your existing one. The all-seeing eye. During the sign-up process, you'll be prompted to connect your bank account. Rocket Money uses a secure service called Plaid, which connects to thousands of banks. Simply select your bank from the list or search for it if it's not readily available. Login Love. You'll then be redirected to your bank's login page, where you'll enter your usual login credentials. Don't worry, Rocket Money doesn't store your bank login information. It simply acts as a secure bridge to access your transaction data. Welcome aboard. Once verified, your bank account will be connected to Rocket Money, and you're ready to unleash its financial management magic. Security concerns? Rocket Money has you covered. Security is a major concern when it comes to connecting financial accounts to any app. Here's how Rocket Money addresses those concerns. Encryption Enforcer. Rocket Money uses bank-level encryption to protect your financial data. This means even if someone were to intercept your information, it would be scrambled and unreadable. Multi-factor Mandalorian. For added security, you can enable multi-factor authentication on your Rocket Money account. This requires an additional verification step, like a code sent to your phone, when logging in. Privacy Pledge. Rocket Money adheres to strict data privacy practices. They don't sell your information to third parties, and you can always control what data you share with the app. The verdict: connecting your bank account to Rocket Money is a smart move. So, to answer the burning question, yes, Rocket Money does connect to your bank account, and it's a crucial step to unlocking its full potential. By connecting your account, you gain valuable insights into your spending habits, identify